Boksburg. Ons is Remax Dazzle en ons is vandag hier by Hennies met 'n baie lekker surprise vir Easter.
So we have hidden 4 vouchers, Henny vouchers of R500 each in and around Boksburg.
So julle vouchers wag vir julle en hulle kan net gebruik word by Hennies in Boksburg. So gaan kry hulle, kom deur, geniet 'n lekker maaltyd en 'n lekker ding. Once you found your voucher, please take a video of yourself and then upload it to Facebook tagging Hennies Boksburg and Remax Dazzle. So wat is jou planne vir Easter weekend? Want ek weet wat ons planne is. En ons gaan by Hennies Boksburg wees.
Very nice. On Saturday at Hennies Boksburg.
So julle bring julle kiddies vir die Easter egg hunt vir nog fair pryse en kom hê net lekker fun saam met ons. Don't miss out. Come spend your Easter weekend with us at Hennies Boksburg.